What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I'm coming at y'all with a sneakers app unboxing. Yes, you heard correctly, a sneakers app unboxing. I was not expecting to hit on these. It definitely took me by surprise, but it was a sneaker that I'm looking forward to, so we're gonna be getting into that today. I also want y'all to comment down below and let me know, what has your experience with the sneakers app been this year? Okay, I don't want to hear about the L's you took in 2019, 2020. What has your experience been with the sneakers app in 2022 this year? Have you copped? Have you been taking a lot of L's? Let me know. Nike has supposedly been doing a lot of changes, with the sneakers app and stuff like that with their stock, the volume of stock. So I want to know if any of those changes are actually being felt by the people trying to get these shoes. So definitely talk to me in the comment section. I was actually lucky enough to get 2 pairs. So this is my first pair. The second pair will be here on Tuesday. Shout out to Bree for the assist. I really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, not the box I was expecting, but all right. I see the vibes. Red and black Nike box. Okay. I did pick these up in a 6Y. So grade school. Let's see. It's been a while since I had that new sneaker smell. This is my first cop of 2022. I know y'all saw the review for the Air Forces already, but technically this is the first sneaker that I bought in 2022, and it's looking good. It's looking real good. Let's see. Oh, that's cold. That's a nice shoe. Wow. Something about these looks different. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the color blocking making the shoe look a little taller. The tumbled leather. This might be one of them ones. Okay. Something that I always, don't really care for on the GS pairs are, we don't get as much height around the ankle. It's a little slim around the ankle, and you can always tell because we have the smaller Wings logo. But first impression wise on these, like, it looks proportionate, it looks good. It's not giving me kid shoe vibes, and I like that a lot. I don't know what is different here. It could just be the quality, because honestly, this tumbled leather is looking right. Very, very right on this pair. And I try to give y'all I try to skim the surface with my unboxings. I save the details for later, but I gotta give credit where credit is due, and these are clean. Wow. Y'all know that I wasn't like super hyped up on this shoe. It was very much, if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. But in hand, I'm impressed. This is a good looking, good feeling shoe. Wow. Okay. let me look at the other one before I get too excited. Does the quality match? It does. There's a little something by the swoosh here, but boom, just like that, it's gone. There we go. It was a little bit of glue, but it's gone now. Wow. I intended to be a little bit more picky this year, because as your sneaker collection grows, you realize that you really just don't need everything. So I am gonna be more choosy this year, but I am so glad right now that I picked these up, because first impressions, I'm impressed. Like, these look really good. These are one of those ones. And I haven't watched any reviews or anything like that, but I did see, people here and there on Instagram just hyping them up and, doing the spiel, giving y'all the spiel. But I get it. I get it. I saw a lot of people taking W's for these on the sneakers app on release day. I have no idea if that's because Nike is putting more stock into the sneakers app, or if it's because maybe this is one of those high volume releases where we were going to see a lot of W's regardless. I don't know which one it is, and unless you're like behind the scenes working at Nike, I don't really think that you know either. You know, everybody has speculation, everybody has their opinions. I think it's too soon to tell whether Nike's recent changes, phasing out Foot Locker, phasing out other tier 0 stores, is actually going to get more pairs to the people who want to wear them. And I think that's the important part. Getting the pairs to the people who want them, to the people who want to wear them, because high stock means nothing if it's just gonna go to the resellers. If it's just more stock for the resellers to buy up, you're not really helping anybody, you know? So I think that they're on the right track with these ideas, but it's too soon in the year for me to really say, you know, yeah, they got it down pat, you know, this is gonna eliminate the bots, this is gonna eliminate resell, all of that stuff. There's always gonna be a resale market, let's be honest. One thing I am looking forward to is seeing the first come, first serve change to a draw for the Nike Sneaker Pass. If you don't know what the Nike Sneaker Pass is, it's the in-store reservations for upcoming sneakers. I'm very much looking forward to seeing that become a draw because, you know, first come, first serve, those reservations be gone quick. Like, you really don't stand a chance. It's insane. So I feel like a draw will be much fairer. You know, are we gonna see like crazy W's? No, but I think more people who actually want the shoe will be able to cop the shoe, and I hope that that's the case. When my second pair of these comes in, I'm probably, well, now that I've seen them and like this pair is good, it checks out, quality control seems great, you know, all of that good stuff, I was gonna like choose between which pair looked better, and I might still do that when they come in, but I'm really considering trading that other pair of Brotherhood ones for the playoff 12s, just because I know as hype and as nostalgic all of a sudden the playoff 12s are for some people. I know that a lot of people would still prefer to have the ones, even though the playoff 12s have a higher retail price. And like I said, they got some hype to them, you know, all of a sudden they're nostalgic for a lot of people who never even seen the shoe before, but whatever. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of hype around the playoff 12s, and that 220 or 160 if you're grade school, whatever it is, that's a hefty price for some 12s. So if I can just do a straight trade, that would be dope. That's if I don't hit on them for retail. If I hit on them for retail, I might just sit on the Brotherhood one, because I think, honestly, after seeing them now, I can definitely see prices going up on these, and maybe I can use it in the future as trade bait for something else that I want. Or I could flip it down the line, make a little bit of money, and use it to buy something else that I really want. So I'll let y'all know when those come in, how I'm feeling about it. Y'all will be getting a full review and on foot, and maybe even a how to style, because the outfit ideas is already going crazy in my head. Make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. Show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.